Refrain from saying that you're an attorney. Refrain from saying that you have a law firm, because that's not what we're here about. We're here to turn you into successful business owners. So there are 4 very predictable stages that every business goes through on the journey from 0 to breaking the 7-figure barrier. 0 to 250, 250 to 500, 500 to $1 million, and $1 million plus. There are very different things that go on in a business that is in the $0 to $250,000 range. Principally, it's the lack of leverage. If you've been in this stage of growth for too long, you can pretty well tell that there's something going on the side of your head that has come to believe that this is okay, that this is the way it has to be. Sometimes we even find situations where people start making up stories about how it's better to be in the first stage of growth than the second stage of growth. And until you actually have $1 million, $2 million business, believe me when I tell you, and I say this respectfully, sincerely, you don't know what the fuck you're talking about. From 0 to 250, the name of the game is find leverage. From 250 to 500, this is where you shift gears. This is where you shift gears from having a practice, from owning your own job. This is where you shift gears into actually creating a business. Your policies, your procedures, your systems. It is your life from $250,000 to $500,000 in the growth of your business. It's all about creating systems to run the business. This is the realm of the chief operating officer, your COO. From $500,000 to $1 million, it's all about getting control of your numbers, your money and your metrics. Your money and your metrics are what's going to drive you from $500,000 to breaking the 7-figure barrier. See, the decisions that you make between $500,000 and $1 million, they're not any easier and they're not any harder. The difference is that once you get over around $500,000 and you've got a few people working for you and you've bought some leverage, you've got a lot more decisions to make. And those decisions have to get made much, much faster. So you got to install metrics that enable you to make faster, more objective, arguably better decisions. It's very simple. I'm not going to say it's easy, though. I'm going to tell you it's worth it, but it's definitely not easy. Before I did it for myself, I didn't fully appreciate how much fun it is to have a 7-figure business. It is fun. You get to do things that you only dreamed of when you were broke. Building a bigger business, building a more profitable business empowers you to do more good for the people you care about. It empowers you to do more good for your family. It empowers you to do more good for your community. It empowers you to do more good for your clients and your customers too, and your staff. All right, so these are the 4 stages of growth.